Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is an interesting view, isn't it? I thought it would be cool to just do something different. So today I'm just going to be doing like a quick review of my vanity and show you guys what I have in my vanity and my drawers and what I think about it and if I like it and if I recommend it. So if you're interested in watching a little review about Impressions Vanity, then make sure to keep on watching. So Impressions Vanity has this luxury vanities that they come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. And this is the one that I have. This was a Christmas present that my husband actually did for me for this past Christmas. And this is my setup. I have my jewelry in the top drawers just because it's see-through and you can actually see inside. Coming along, I want to put like something under it so that they don't slide, and when I open the drawers and everything, because they slip a little, and plus I want to protect the film under. So, but other than that, yes, this is where I would put my jewelry. And all the drawers come with these little cute knobs. As you're doing your makeup, you have to wipe them clean because of course they get dirty. But here I have some Q-tips, and here I have some cotton balls that obviously I ran out of, but I need to restock. Also in this drawer I have my some film makeup and makeup remover wipes and all basically miscellaneous and all kinds of things. In this drawer I have my concealers or anything color correcting. I have my eyeliners, lip liners, sharpener. I have some claws, and back over here I have some little towels to clean my brushes and everything. These are washing currently, so just there's a lone rider over here. And then in this drawer I have my eyeshadow palettes and eyeshadow palettes. And then in this last one, nothing makeup related in this one. Just my sunglasses, my eyeglasses, and all kinds of glasses over here. Moving on to the other side, here I have like all my lip products, all the lipsticks, lip glosses, lip balms, anything lip. Oh, and these I got from the Dollar Tree. The acrylic ones I got from Amazon, but you can find them anywhere, Marshalls, Ross, or whatever. Here I have lip balms and chapsticks, moisturizers, all my, I forgot the name, primers. Sorry, just had a brain fart. And these are my hyaluronic acids that I like to put a few drops in my moisturizers. And then this is sunblock and anything skincare related. Right here I have anything bronze. These are all my highlighters, all my blushes, and all the powders, setting powders, etc. In this drawer is just hair stuff. I have like a towel, brushes, hairspray, bobby pins, dry shampoo, and anything hair. In this very last drawer I have everything nails. So I have nail polish remover, cotton balls, nail polish, all these thingies. But right here I got this off of Ross. Actually, I think it was $15. And I have my brushes here. These are like the fine point ones. This are like the more blendy brushes. Over here I have my powder brushes, my complexion brushes. This is like my, basically the ones that I use on a regular makeup day. And then some eyelashes and some brush cleaning spray. And then I have all my foundations and tinted moisturizers up here. Over here I have all my mascaras. Here I have all my brow products, all my beauty blenders and sponges or whatever. Setting spray, hydrating toner. And then these are the brushes that I clean that I'm waiting for them to dry. Perfumes and that's it. That's the tour. So now let's move on to like an actual review. Right here, let me move this to the side so you can see. Right here, there's a plug, and you can actually plug something, or you can use the USB port for it. Right there. And it's really, really convenient if you want to put music, or you want to charge your phone as you're doing your makeup. And then right here, this is like my favorite feature. So it tells you the temperature, it tells you the date, it tells you the time. And then here are to move the time, change the dates, etc. Here's for the volume. You click on this and you switch the volume on it. If not, you click the time and then you change the time. Here is for Bluetooth. So this is what you would click on to connect your phone to it and play some music. I'm going to connect my phone so that you can see how it sounds. So here I have my phone playing, and now I want to connect it to my mirror. So I'm going to press here. And then these are the speakers. I think there's one on the other side. Yep. Isn't that neat? So if you're low on battery, you can just plug it in right here and put your phone and do your makeup. And then if you have like a time crunch, then you know what time it is because it's right here in your face. And you can hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, and get to it and finish doing your makeup. And then here are the doggos, just chilling and doing some dog stuff as usual. Zeus. So I forgot to mention that this is the light switch right here, and it has a tone, like you can dim it down and you can dim it up as you like. So that's actually a pretty cool feature also. Hey dude, you always want to go where there's no space, huh? Well guys, this is it for my video. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Give me a big thumbs up if you like it so I know that you liked it. If you didn't like it, let me know why you didn't like it so I can better improve. I make these for you, so it's important that you like it. Let me know what you want to see further on. If you have one of these vanities or if you want to get one, I'll link the website down below. So I hope you take my word for it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Let me know if you have one. If you're going to get one, let me know your story. I want to get to know you. I let you get to know me. I want to get to know you. Okay? Have a great day, whatever day it is for you. Stay safe.